How to fix Ntoskrnl.exe high CPU usage in Windows. Updating drivers ensures that all hardware components and peripherals communicate effectively with the operating system. Outdated drivers might cause incompatibility issues, leading to excessive CPU usage. Restart your computer after updating all necessary drivers. If that didn't work, System File Checker, SFC, and Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM, are built-in Windows utilities that can detect and repair corrupted or missing system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Malware can stealthily consume system resources, causing high CPU usage. Choose Microsoft Defender Offline Scan and click Scan Now. Your computer will immediately restart and begin a deep scan. Some power settings can cause excessive CPU usage, especially on laptops. Here, you will see the listed plans. Change the plan from Power Saver to High Performance. System Restore returns your computer's system files and settings to a date and time when everything was working fine, potentially rectifying any recent changes that led to high CPU usage. It won't affect personal files, but it might remove recently installed apps and drivers.